What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Today is our unboxing for our June company for Year of the Beard. What's the company? The Bearded Coast. And check out this box. It is massive. So we're going to bust into this and see what all products we get to use for the month of June. I do apologize, this is not the time that I normally do my unboxing video. We are a little bit late. A couple things came into play there, but either way, it's happening. So we're running a little bit behind on this, so we got to bust it out this month. So let's dive into this. So I'm going to be using, if I can find it, my Swiss Army Tinker. I did a review of this knife. I'll put it up in the cards up top, and you can check it out. But this is the Swiss Army Tinker pocket knife. So let's just go in. We're going to use the small knife blade on this and get in here and see what all we have. Oh man, it already looks amazing. All right, so let's get this closed up. We'll keep it close by in case we need it. So only you can prevent beard drift. So thanks for your support. Be stoked. Your beard is Scott. So Scott over at the Bearded Coast, and let's just check this out. If you can see, we have got stickers. We have got, oh, those are awesome stickers right there. All right, so we've got a couple regular Bearded Coast stickers. Salty Vibes Club, Bearded Coast, and a coaster. Alright, so we got all that. We need to put this to the side so it doesn't get anything happen to it. We've got a whole pile of Laffy Taffy, or taffy, saltwater taffy. You know what I mean. So saltwater taffy, we've got a whole pile of it in here. Let's get it moved to the side. Maybe it won't melt while we out here. And let's see if we can get it. And then we are just going to start randomly picking out things out of all the shred and see if we can hopefully find everything. So just random, we have the Dapper Dude. So let's just talk about the label first. So the label, it is on here. It is sideways. Are they all like this? Yes. So unique, it is different. I like it. All right, so it gives you more real estate when you do it sideways versus up this way. So I really like this. This is called the Dapper Dude, 1 ounce bottle, amber bottle with the safety top, dropper top cap. Ooh, I'm gonna guess that's kind of a barbershop cologne-ish kind of scent. Ingredients on the oils: coconut oil, hemp seed oil, avocado oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil, argan oil, meadow foam, sea oil, fragrance, and essential oil blend. So Dapper Dude. Let's see what we have next. Tangy Dream. Give it a shake. Ooh, that smells good. That's a citrus. You can see the oil here. It's kind of a yellow tint to it. And well, we'll have to get it in hand, see what we think as in weight wise. What else do we have here? Positive Vibes, a fresh coastal scent, collaboration with Dan C. So let's check this one out. Oh, okay. That smells really good. It is a fresh scent. That smells good. Let's see, we got a couple more. Oh, there's some more taffy. Good gracious. We got a busy month. Alright, so this one is El Beardmas Fina. I know I said that wrong. Salty Margarita, Cerveza, Tart Lime, Fresh Orange. This is going to be with the Corona label there. So let's give it a shake. Ooh. That makes me feel like I'm at the beach right there. That smells really good. All right, so what's our next one? True OG. Now these bottles do not have anything about scent profile on them. Scott did send me a message and say that it's not on his bottles, but it is on his website, so I didn't go over there and look before this. I wanted to kind of have a fresh take on it. True OG must be unscented, because either that or it's very, very subtle. All right, Old School. Ooh. I don't know what it is, but it smells so good. Salty Vibes. Didn't we already talk about Salty Vibes? Ooh, what is that? It reminds me of something, and I cannot pinpoint it. Salty Vibes. When we do our updates, I will have full scent profile, what it is designed to be when we do our updates. So then we have a True OG, which is unscented, in our beard wash. Check out that big bottle, 8-ounce bottle of beard wash, and right next to it I've got a beard conditioner, also in the True OG scent, which is unscented. What do we have here? Let's see if we can dig some of this stuff out, make it a little easier. Okay, so we got the Positive Vibes we have in a beard balm. Check that out. Oh, that smells so good. Alright, and then we have Old School in balm. That smells good. Ooh, that's going to be a good, I'm going to say conditioning balm. I may be wrong on that. We'll have to get it in beard and see. Yeah, that smells. Salty Vibes in butter. Check out that butter. This is 4-ounce glass jar of beard butter. That smells so good. They all smell amazing. Dapper Dude in butter. I'm ready to see what these scent profiles are. Alright, so that's that and that and that. Do we have any? Yep, we do have some more. We have a butter in Tangy Dream, and a small butter in the El Beardmas. So, oh, that smells so good. And Tangy Dream in butter. Oh man. Alright, so it looks like, I may be wrong, looks like we have 2 more things here. Pine tar soap. Both of them appear to be the same. So we have 2 pine tar soaps here. Awesome. Ingredients: saponified organic olive oil, organic coconut oil, organic flaxseed oil, organic shea butter, pine tar, organic hemp oil, essential oils of pine scotch, orange, lime, activated charcoal. So really awesome ingredients in that. Looking forward to using these. I love a pine tar soap, and I can tell you, look at the size of that bar. Does it give us a 4-ounce bar of pine tar soap? So wasn't sure what all was coming, so of course I don't have prices for you right now. So in the first update video, whatever we talk about, I'll have prices for you, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you are notified when new videos drop, especially all the updates for the Bearded Coast that are going to be coming out during the month of June. You don't want to miss those. This is going to be a busy month. I'm just looking in my hammock and seeing all these products sitting beside me, and it is going to be a very, very busy month. We're off to a little bit of a late start, but that's cool. We can make up for it, and we are going to catch up and do what we need to get done to tell you all about all of these products. So, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.